Hello guys, so I have another TOZO product. I got already a couple of speakers and headphones that I put inside the ear or the ear, and it's like a speaker. So this is gonna be a headphones that goes over your two ears, and so I have a high resolution, big dynamic driver, bunch of effects, TOZO AI for translation, voice, chat, and more. Oh wow. Adaptive hybrid active noise, call noise cancellation, multiple point connection. So if you have a tablet that you can connect and phone at one time, and TOZO app that you can manage everything through. So capable with Apple and Google Play or Android. So let's go ahead and unpack it, see what we got there inside. Nice packaging. Have a manual how to use it. Have a let's check it out. Put the headphones here. So it got two cables. Oh, it's pretty nice. So the one is the charger, USB-C and USB. Another one, it's like a headphones to connect to your laptop or computer or any other devices. So it's like it's like jack. Well, I don't know what is that called. Uh, Audio jack or something. And here's the headphones. Nicely. Look of how many details have even this thing. So they can swivel left and right here. Have even numbers 3, 5, 7, 8 millimeter, so you can match from the other side too. Nice cushions, and they have a left and right, so you would not mess up. So left go to left, right to right. It got the orange is noise cancellation, USB-C charging port. So let's connect. So this is USB-C, goes right here, and the jack, I'll show it to you. So USB-C here, jack to your computer, noise cancellation, volume up and down, and it's power. Okay, so we're in Apple store. Let's type TOZO right here, search, and this is what we have to download right here. I already downloaded because I have other ones, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, we need to log in, or if you have the other. Okay, and you have to kind of press on the headphones right here, press and hold until it lights up right here. Lighting up. Press here. Please open the Bluetooth. Okay, so go to Bluetooth and look for this one, TOZO HT3 right here. So it's connected, Then go to our TOZO, press plus, zero devices. Okay, found this one. So first you have to connect to your own Bluetooth and then here. So press here, connecting to device. Okay, 94% battery, noise cancellation, transparency mode, laser mode, windproof, normal, adaptive mode. So it also have a AI along, so it's like translating, AI chat, all this stuff. So, and this is the music that you can hear to it. So let's, for example, do this one. I don't know if it will be able. So it's already, music is on. I have a dog outside barking, but, or let's get the other one. Sure. Sound of nature. You probably can hear it, maybe not. So here you go. Remember my settings, or you can do your modes like equalizer. You can do probably standard, bass, or do the custom, bass plus, or custom. You can change, So it have so many options. I don't want to do anything of it. Just want to do, whoops. Sound mode. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's do our test. So let me, okay. Oh, I have a noise cancellation. Let me turn it off. So it have a really good cancellation, like I cannot even hear anything outside. How about long text translation? Those who like your access your microphone. So here's the translation. Allow. I guess you have to register to use that option. I don't know. I registered, but I don't know why it's gone. AI chat. So simulation. So you have to register to use those options, and I guess if you cannot speak English or something, then you have to use this one or try it on. Yeah, but this one is mainly just for listen music while working on car, walking outside, going to gym and all this stuff. Yeah, but this is it, guys. This is it. This is how it looks. So if you have a bigger head, see how this thing goes up? So this is for the bigger heads. To make it smaller, like my head, or for the bigger guys, just like that. I'm fine just like this, like that. Yeah, let me show you how it looks like on the actual kid. Okay, so I will pass my headphones to my little girl. Let's go ahead and wear it. Where is the right and where is the left? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
kind of.
Okay, so I will show you guys and let's see what she will hear it. What can you hear? What is it?
I hear a forest, like birds chirping and a rain, like
Okay.
a rain.
Okay. Mm, uh, this one here. Let's see what she will say on this one. What is this?
A like a thunderstorm.
How is the quality?
Very good.
How about this one? What is this?
A river.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Going to take it to school?
Uh, maybe.
Okay. Here we go, guys. So this was the headphones, right?
Mhm.
Good job. Move over. So here we go, guys. So this was the quick review of the headphones, like this. So with the multiple connections, and what I like is have a TOZO app that you can see about your phone, everything.